kind of gathering. We are scared, but I want to feel confidence. In a meeting like this, we are to share out every effective challenges that we are passing through, and also in kind of this gathering, we are to make sure we are contented with what has been given here. So we are having the presence of our boss, Amido. Let us clap our hands for welcoming our boss. Yes. I speaking. My name is Kumakoma Bin Cornelius Odette. By the way, before we open our agenda, let someone give us a word of prayer. And I will request Madame Adon Gloria to lead us in prayer.